Hey everyone, this is Keem, and this is my Seabreeze, my 1990 Seabreeze. I've been working on it in the last month. It's been a lot of work, but it looks really good. I really like it. So let's see what I start off with. Right here, this was falling into the wall, which made it bow. I pulled it out, reinforced the base, some pine, solid oak, very strong. And since I fixed it, you can see how much gap it has because the wall got pushed out. So I'm going to probably fill it up and then sand it down and bolt it to the wall. But yeah, now you can see it's very level with this, which I use as a base. Now it's level over there too. Nice and level. Nice and level to the walls. It's pretty good. I rebuilt this. Very strong. Build it here. I reinforced this. I couldn't level this, so basically I had this little shim right here to make it appear like it's square, but it really isn't. See, I did the same thing on the side also. Well, yeah, ripped out the carpeting. I reinforced this whole bottom of the floor. You can't really see it. It's so solid, like it won't even move. You can put a lot of weight. Someone can actually sit on this. A lot of big pots, faux pots. Pretty high faux pot I can put up here. What else? I put a whole bunch of new LEDs, new fan motor. I gotta put a new filter in there. New LED light bulbs. I gotta get a new faucet. But yeah, I reinforced this. This can handle maybe about 800 pounds now or whatever, maybe 3 or 4 people. Put some solid oak over here. Very strong. I think that's it, dude. And one more thing. Down here, I'll take pictures. You can't see it really well, but I reinforced the sides, the back, and it should not fall any further down to the floor. That was my biggest concern, of this tilting further into the wall and making the wall more bow. But everything's good. I added this max fan. What else did I do? New LEDs. Some guy told me to rip this out. I'm gonna probably pull this out and then add some storage to it. But yeah, this thing is fully done. I just gotta do some paint to it. Oh yeah, one more thing. I pulled up the roof right here. As you can see, dude, the roof is so square now. Look how perfect it is. It's so perfect. It's creating these gaps here because the cabinet kind of sagged a little. Since it's so perfect now, these gaps are opening up. So I just gotta push it up a little bit and bolt it up a little bit. Yeah, look at that. It's so perfect now. But yeah, I'm overall really happy with what I did. And if you guys have any more advice, it'd be awesome. Really like hearing from you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna primer everything, paint it all white, then redo the floors, carpeting, electronics, and then I'm gonna do the maintenance on the car, and this thing is ready for the road. But yeah, sounds good. Thanks for tuning in.